Hi, my name is Karen Wieke. I live in Copenhagen in Denmark. When I first started to take pictures for about 7 to 8 years ago, I really wanted to learn about photography, and I used almost all my spare time trying to figure everything out. And I was from the beginning really hooked. I have always only used my phone to everything from taking pictures to all the editing steps. And one of the reasons why I really like using my phone is that I always have it in my hand, and if I see something photogenic, I can be ready to shoot right away and can start working. Over time, my style has developed to be more and more minimalistic. I'm really excited to share this ebook with you. You will learn everything I know in this book about creating urban minimalistic pictures. You will learn what to look out for when you are out shooting, how you use your phone, to every design and composition steps, and all the things in between. The book has 30 case studies where you will learn how I took the photos and every step in the editing process. The book also has some bonuses like screenshot videos of how I work in different apps. Besides that, we also provide cheat sheets so you can have all the information and all the most important things in your hand, like location, the photos you need to take, composition, all the things you need to get to the final result. So I'm so happy to share everything I know with you, and I really hope you will get inspired and go out to play and be creative.